Today, in this video, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to earn money online. If you're looking for beginner-friendly ways to make some extra cash, stick around because we've got you covered. Many of us want to earn money online but don't know where to start. It can be overwhelming with so many options out there, but don't worry, I'll be walking you through it step by step. First up, let's talk about freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr, which are just perfect for beginners and those with more experience. You can offer your services like writing, graphic design, or even social media management. For example, if you love writing, you can create a profile on Upwork, set your rates, and start applying for jobs. There are tons of templates available online to help you craft the perfect proposal. Finding templates to craft the perfect proposal for Upwork and Fiverr can significantly enhance your chances of landing gigs. Here are some resources and platforms where you can find high quality proposal templates. Number one, Upwork and Fiverr resources. Upwork Help Center. Upwork provides guides for creating effective proposals. While they may not offer direct templates, their articles are quite detailed and can help you craft your personalized proposals. Now, Fiverr's Learn platform. Fiverr offers courses on their platforms that include proposal writing. These might come with templates or examples that can be very useful. Number two, freelance blogs and websites. Freelance writing gigs. This blog offers proposal templates specifically designed for freelance writers and can be adapted for other niches as well. Number three, template marketplaces. TemplateNet offers a variety of proposal templates that can be customized for your Upwork and Fiverr. Canva has loads of templates for freelance proposals. You can easily customize these to fit the requirements for Upwork and Fiverr. Number four, freelance community forum groups. There are Facebook groups. There are many freelancing groups on Facebook where members share templates and tips, looking for groups focused on Upwork and Fiverr freelancers. By leveraging these resources, you can create compelling and professional proposals that stand out to clients on Upwork and Fiverr that set you up to earn money online. Next, let's talk about selling products. Platforms like Etsy allow you to sell handmade crafts or digital products. If you're into creating art or printables, this is a great option. Here's a quick step-by-step guide for Etsy. 1. Sign up and set up your shop. 2. List your products with detailed descriptions and high-quality photos. 3. Promote your shop through social media. Another super way to earn money is through online courses. Websites like Teachable and Udemy let you create and sell courses on topics you're passionate about. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things money. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. Have you ever thought about starting a blog? Blogging can be a great way to make money online through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ads. Websites like WordPress and Blogger make it easy to get started. Write about topics you love, and as your audience grows, so will your income. Here's a step-by-step guide for blogging. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. 2. Set up your blog on WordPress or Blogger. 3. Start creating quality content. 4. Monetize your ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. Next, starting a YouTube channel is another fantastic way for you to make money online. You'll create content on topics you're passionate about or knowledgeable about, And once you build an audience, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Here's how to step-by-step guide for YouTube. 1. Create a YouTube account and set up your channel. 2. Decide on your content niche. 3. Upload high-quality videos. 4. Engage with your audience and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Next, if you're organized and good at multitasking, then consider becoming a virtual assistant. Websites like remote.co and Zirtual, spelled Zirtual, offer opportunities to assist businesses with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer service. Your step-by-step guide for virtual assistant is to 1. Sign up on remote.co or Zirtual. Number 2, create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and give your details on Fiverr. How to go about doing this. Use the information and then adapt it to your requirements. Number 3, apply for virtual assistant jobs that match your expertise. Do you have expertise in a particular subject? Then online tutoring could be a perfect fit for you. Websites like tutor.com and Chegg Tutors will connect you with students looking for help in various subjects. Here's how step-by-step guide for online tutoring. 1. Sign up on tutor.com or Chegg Tutors. 2. Complete your profile and verify your expertise. 3. Start accepting tutoring requests and earn money. Up next, are you into photography? Selling stock photos can be a great way to make money online with websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, allowing you to upload and sell your photos to global audience. Step-by-step guide for selling your stock photos. 1. Create an account on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. 2. Upload high-quality photos with detailed descriptions. Number 3. Promote your profile to increase your sales. Promoting your profile to increase sales on Adobe and Shutterstock requires a strategic approach. And here's how to boost your visibility and sales on these platforms. 1. You are to optimize your portfolio by having high quality content. You do so by ensuring that your images, videos, or other digital assets are of high quality. 2 is keyword optimization. Use relevant and specific keywords for each piece of content. Research popular trending keywords in your niche and incorporate them into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Number 3, consistent updates. Regularly update your portfolio with new content. Consistency helps keep your portfolio fresh and relevant, which can lead to more visibility on the platform. Number 3, leveraging social media. Create dedicated social media profiles like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest to showcase your work. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are really effective for visual content. Number 4, engage your audience. Post regularly and engage your audience by responding to comments, participating in relevant discussions, and sharing behind-the-scenes content or tutorials. What method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on earning money online. See you in the next one. Bye for now.